Hello and welcome to, I think, the 6th tutorial on how to make a game in XNA. And in the last tutorial we went over our items class and we set it up by making an initialize method and a reset method for our object list. And we cleaned everything up by having us only to add another line for every new class or new instance of that class that we want to add to our game. And in this tutorial we're going to go over the man shooting bullets. So right off the bat, let's create a new class and name it bullets. Okay. And this is going to inherit from the object class. I'm just going to copy and paste a constructor from another class, so you don't have to waste time. Okay, and I actually went ahead and made a sprite for this bullet. Very simple sprite. I'm going to go ahead and add it, and its name is bullet, so I'll change the sprite name to bullet. And I forgot to add all the XNA framework stuff, so I'll do that real quick. And we'll leave it at that. That looks good for now. Okay, so for the man is going to be a little bit different. We're going to have to declare some more variables. We're going to have, let's see, an ammo variable, ammo. Actually, let's make this float rate. Oops. And for ammo, we have to have max ammo. So this let's make a const. This is going to change. Let's say we have 32 bullets. And let's see, firing timer. We have to make a firing timer variable equals 0 for now, and rate will equal, let's make it it's gonna shoot a bullet 3 bullets per second. So since it's this game runs at 60 frames per second, we'll set it as 20. And the way that this will work is it's going to constantly increment the firing timer until it reaches 20. Once it reaches 20, it will fire a bullet, decrease the ammo, and yeah. And once you run out of ammo, you won't be able to fire your bullet. So let's go ahead and create a shoot method. So public, actually before we do that, let's create a shoot method. Public shoot. Okay. So what we want to do for this is check if firing timer is greater than rate, it's going to shoot a bullet. Actually, let's not name this shoot. Let's name this, what should we name this? Check firing, or check shooting. And then I'll make another method called shoot later. So if firing timer is greater than rate, firing timer, let's reset back to 0. Firing timer equals 0. And it's going to shoot a bullet. So we'll make another method called shoot. Come on. There we go. Okay, so this can be a private method, private void. Actually, this can be private too. Shoot. No parameters or arguments. And we want to decrease its ammo by 1. So ammo minus minus. Oh, actually for this, we also want to check if you actually have some ammo. So if ammo is greater than 0, so if it equals 0 or is less than 0, you can't shoot. So once you shoot, it decreases your ammo. Okay, and it's going to shoot a bullet. Okay, so we want to actually in the items class we want to add a bunch of bullets. So to add a bunch of bullets, we can just add a for loop, and once I equals 0, I be smaller than, how many bullets do we want? I guess 32. I'm just gonna put 64 just yeah, 32. 64 just to be safe, actually. Alright, plus plus. So we're gonna add 64 bullets. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the same thing we have here. Object list dot add new bullet, and we don't have to specify its position. Oh, okay. I guess we do, unless we change. Let's just do this, so we don't have to put one in. Okay. 2.0. Okay. So this basically. Oh, never mind. I can't do that. Okay. Aw. That's unfortunate. Okay, so this will add 64 new bullets. Oops, I keep forgetting it. Add a new vector 2. So this will add 64 bullets to our object list, so we can access those. And another thing we want to do is O equals object O equals new bullet. Okay, and then we'll add O. First we want to put O dot alive equals false. So it doesn't start drawing the object or updating the object until the bullet is fired. So now the man thing, we want to loop through the object list and find a bullet and then fire the bullet. So how are we doing on time? Okay, we're almost running out of time, so hopefully I can do this real quick, or we'll have to continue in the next tutorial. So for each object O in object items dot object list, if O dot get type this equals type of bullet. So this basically says if the object in the object list it's currently looping through, if it's a bullet, then it's going to try to fire it. So if it's a bullet and you're not alive, so basically it can't take a live bullet and then put it back and shoot it. It has to be dead or not active. And actually I'm going to end it right here. Actually, never mind. We can go a little bit over if we want to. So after that we want to fire it. To do this we have to set this position. Position equals this position, the man's position, which is position, O dot rotation equals our rotation, or the man's rotation, and then O dot speed equals, actually I'm going to put another variable up here, just call it B speed, short for bullet speed, and speed is going to equal B speed, or bullet speed. So what this will do is fire the bullet and make its position equal the player's or the man's, and the rotation equal the man's, and make its speed equals the bullet speed. And remember, in our object class, in our update method, has a little method called push2, and it basically moves the bullet towards this rotation, or that direction, in this speed. So if we set the speed to like a non-zero number, and anything but 0, it's going to move. So here, let's see if this works. Oh, actually, it's not going to work right now because we haven't set the clicking. We haven't added to our update method. So I'm going to do that in the next tutorial and end it right here. So thank you for watching. I'd appreciate it if you left a rating, and see you in the next tutorial.